Morning. This is Daryl in the house. Welcome. Hopefully you guys are having a great day, a great weekend. The weekend's about to start, guys. So this is really fantastic. I'm glad you guys are here. Woohoo! Dogecoin in the house. Just want to give a shout out to some of my subscribers. Edward Morgan, thank you for being in the live stream today, and thank you for that super chat. Really appreciate it, brother. Brian Riviera, of course. Dustin, welcome. Thank you for being a big supporter and being part of this community, guys. I just want to talk to you about what I think is a huge investment strategy. This is not financial advice, but I just want to talk to you about how I invest in crypto, and then we're going to talk about the Doge price support and resistance. So I think you guys are going to really love it. So, you know, remember, crypto, like any investment, you have to be in it to win it, and that means you got to be in it for long haul. It doesn't mean that you can get in one day and get out the next day. So, you know, day trading and swing trading, this is a completely different discussion. This is a different animal. I'm not talking about that. So what's really important to understand is that my crypto strategy is very, very simple. Very simple, guys. Nothing magical, nothing mysterious. It's very simple. I've been using it for years and years and years, and you know, I've been successful with it. So let me dive right in, and then we'll talk about, you know, why the markets are down, why Dogecoin is going down. But I got a little bit of good news for you on Dogecoin. You'll be surprised. So basically, the strategy I use is called the 50-25-25 rule. And, you know, a lot of other people are also using the same kind of strategy. But it's really worked for me over the long period of time. So what is the 50-25-25 rule? Well, let me tell you. Basically, what I like to do is 50% of my money I put in Bitcoin. Very simple. Because, you know, Bitcoin is, you know, a good hedge against inflation. It's a good store of value, and it's like what I consider the digital gold. Very simple. So I try to put 50% of my cryptocurrency assets portfolio in Bitcoin. So that's simple to understand. So then the next 25%, guys, I put it in what I call big caps. And the big caps are usually found in the top 20, top 15 of the crypto space. And you know, you've always got to have Ethereum. Ethereum is the king big daddy of altcoins, so you always want to have Ethereum, because Ethereum, if you look at past historically, not hysteric, I get hysterical when the markets go down. So, but historically speaking, Ethereum, it always outperforms Bitcoin. It just does. So you want to have your next 25% in the big caps, and you know, I'm typically looking at, you know, the top 25 coins, top 20 in the market cap, and I'm really looking at market cap, guys. And also, I'm looking. The other thing I look at is the life of the project. I also have a rule: any projects that's younger than 2 years, I tend to stay away from it. Projects that are from 0 to 6 months, no way, no hell. Not going to happen. I'm not going to invest in it, because, you know, these could be rug pulls and stuff like that. Look what happened to Mark Cuban and Titan and his DeFi investment. It went from $60 to zero in 24 hours, and a lot of people lost their money. So I try to stay away from new projects. It's just, you know, what I do. So then the next 25%. So we got 50% in Bitcoin, another 25% in the big caps. You know, top 15 and top 20 projects, and then the next 25% is mid-size to small caps. Okay, and typically I don't go anywhere below the 75 rank. Okay, so I take 20% of that remaining 25%. Are you with me so far? So 50% we got it, 25% we got already. So I've got 25% left. So that 20% of the 25% I put in mid and small caps. Don't go lower than the 75th project. And then 5%, that remaining 5%, I do two things with it. One, I put half of that 5% in stable coins like USTD, USDC, and that allows me to buy on the dips, okay? And then the other 2.5%, I call it my moon boy bags. So I will take that 2.5% and I will buy in very highly speculative stuff, you know, stuff that it could go to the moon or it could go to zero. And that 2.5% I'm willing to lose. I'm willing to lose it. This is, I call my moon boy bag, my gamble bag. This is my, you know, if I lose it, I don't care about it. If, you know, it's okay. You know, this is like, this is fun, mad money, okay? So that's my investing strategy. It's very simple, guys. That's the way I do it. This is not financial advice, but that's what I do, and I've been successful, and it's you know, it's created a lot of wealth for me over the years. So, you know, I'm happy. So I'm pretty okay. So that's the investment strategy I wanted to talk to you about. So let's talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin right now is trading between 29.4 and 29.8. And you can see here that, you know, we've just had a buy indicator. This is a green triangle, so it's a buy indicator. So I'm surprised because, you know, all the markets are down. You know that the stock markets, the Dow had one of the worst days, down 500 points since October yesterday. So yeah, that's why Bitcoin is down, etc. So guys, don't panic. You know, weekends are pretty slow, but I see that, you know, there's a bullish indicator on the 4-hour chart, and it shows that there's a definitely buy signal for Doge. So this is good, guys. This is a good indicator. So take a look at that. You know, it's right there. The chart's right there. So once again, guys, for all you weak Nancy's out there, you need to understand Monday to Fridays, things tend to be pumping because there's more volume. Remember, all the institutions and traders are working Monday to Friday, where mainly on the weekends, the crypto markets are influenced by retail traders. So that's you and me, you know, the people that don't work for big firms and this and that. So, you know, just keep that in mind, that, you know, you're going to get more volatility, because when you have less volume, it's easier to have higher price spikes. So you can also see that Doge is trading above the 20-day moving average. So that's really good. So, you know, I'm very confident. You should be confident that it is looking pretty good right now for Doge. That, you know, we got this bullish indicator that I just showed previously. So that's pretty good, guys. So I'm a little bit, I'm confused, because I was expecting a lot of red indicators, and but no, we got this green bull flag that just flashed on the Oryx terminal. Guys, check out the free link to Oryx terminal. You're gonna like it. It's completely free. You'd be crazy not to get into it. So yeah, check it out. The link's down there. It's completely free. I don't get anything out of it, okay? I don't get a referral. I don't get anything. It's just free. So I figured I'd just share it with you guys because I like it. Hey, look at the beach behind me. It's fantastic, right, guys? So yeah, I'm at the beach. It's sunny. Woohoo! It's hot. Blah, blah, blah. So guys, once again, if you love this channel like I love you guys, I really do love you guys, and you know, I try to do things different. My YouTube channel is all about being honesty, about being straight. I try to reduce the hype as much as I can. Yeah, you know, sometimes my titles are a little bit clickbaity. I understand that, but remember, if my titles were just boring and, you know, oh, Dogecoin could go up today or it could not go up today, nobody would watch. You know, nobody would watch it. So it's, you know, it's kind of like you're damned if you do and damned if you don't. So sometimes, yeah, I know some of you don't like my titles on my thumbnails, but I apologize for that. But this is if you want to get the message out there, you got to attract attention, right? So just, you know, accept it for what it is. You know who I am. I'm a straight shooter. I'm the crypto OG, the crypto trade signals OG, and I just want to say I love you guys, and I really mean that. I mean, you guys mean the world to me, and I try to listen to you guys, but unfortunately sometimes my thumbnails can be a little bit over exaggerated, but this is the business, this is the space. So I just want to get the message out there, and the more people that hear the message, the more people that can you know, make decisions in the crypto space. They can do their own risk management, do their own research, and don't just listen to all the hype, because a lot of people, they just buy stuff because they watch a YouTube channel or they watch somebody saying buy this, buy this, buy this. They buy it, they lose money, and then they wonder what happened. Guys, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm never going to say you should buy or shouldn't buy. What you need to do is do your own homework, do your own research, and do the research, guys. It's really important because it's your money. It's not my money. It's your money. So do the research, guys. That's really important that you do that. I pray for you that you do the research, you make the right choices, and don't just buy stuff because somebody's saying it could be good, okay? You know, So a lot of people like to shill stuff and say that really bad coins are good coins. So guys, just do your research, okay? So once again, guys, smack the likes as always. Subscribe. I love you guys to death. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Subscribe. Check out my links down below. And guys, please become a member. You'll love it. I'm going to upload a behind the scenes video today, so you're going to love that. So I'm not going to go on and on chatting too much. I love chatting to you guys because I love you guys. So guys, once again, be well. God bless every single one of you. Make every second count. Live your life like it's the last moment. Be well. Spread some love. Love your neighbor. Love yourself. Love your family. Hug the wife. Hug the kids. Turn off the computer. Turn off the phone after you watch my YouTube. And spend the day with the kids. Go barbecue. Guys, in Asia, it's Saturday. It's quite hot. Barbecue. Take the kids out. Spend some time with the kids. All right, because sometimes we're all guilty of spending too much time in front of the computer watching our portfolios. Stop it. Spend time with the kids. Okay, guys, peace out. I gotta get out of here. This video is getting long. I love you guys. Peace out.